Trans-Continental Manufacturing is a contract manufacturing facility headquartered in San Diego, California, established in 2005. We serve many industries such as automotive, high-end furniture, medical, outdoor sporting goods, and safety and security.
From a business development perspective, SAP Business One helps with two main pillars in our company. First, it helps our customers save both time and resources. And second, it helps bring the company's vision into life.
Some of those big changes and big improvements that we had were, we had a better inventory control. This was based on the integration with WMS. Now we have a better inventory accuracy. We went from 50% to 90% right now. So that was a good improvement for us. And now it takes us half of the time to get the information for our customers and internally.
Basically, with the process force, we can have a decision on time because we have the information. That information gives us the opportunity to have decision based on the voice of the customers. The process force provides us that information on time and accurately what we need.
One of the benefits that we have of having this information more faster is that our employees can have a better performance. They feel now that they are doing more with less effort.
A lot of our customers also use SAP, and being able to be on the same playing field as them really provides value for our customers because we're both using the same system, and that means we're interconnected both by manufacturing their goods but also on the cloud through SAP.
We also have quality control capabilities with SAP and maintenance capabilities that we can integrate into our process. That means that we can have better traceabilities, better controls for our production, and better reliable information for our customers to rely on our products and our services.
Our partners, Interomax, are helping us make our vision through the different pillars into a reality.
If you're looking for a partner to help you to implement SAP and all of his possibilities, Interomax is our best option.
For me, SAP Business One is the solution that every company must have.
If you as a company are looking for savings, improvements, reliable information, SAP and all of these integrations, it's your best tool to work.
By selecting better partners like Interomax, SAP allows us to not only generate cost saving for our customers, also provide better services to them.